Good morning all of you. Welcome to the geography class. Today we'll read chapter number 12, that is Eclipses and Major Temperature Zones. Let's begin the chapter with the first heading, Eclipses. Eclipses occur due to the revolution of the earth and the moon. The position of the moon and the earth keeps on changing due to the revolving moments. And eclipses occur when the sun, the earth and the moon are in straight line. These are the most spectacular shadow cast by the earth and the moon by blocking the sunlight falling on each other. Now let's read about the lunar eclipse. When the earth comes between the sun and the moon, as you can see in picture also, when the earth comes between the sun and the moon, lunar eclipses occurs. When the earth revolves around the sun, when the earth revolves around the sun, and sometimes it comes in between the sun and the moon, the shadow of the earth cast on the moon. As you can see in the picture, the shadow of the earth here, it is cast on the moon, and the part of the shadow that is totally blocked by the sunlight is called umbra. This is the part of the earth that is casting its shadow on the moon, and the part of the shadow that totally it has blocked the sunlight, it is called the umbra, and the other parts that are blocked partially is called penumbra. Lunar eclipses can be total or partial. When the moon is completely in the dark shadow of the earth, it is called a total lunar eclipse. And when the moon is only partly hidden by the shadow of the earth, it is called partial lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipses are safe to view without any eye protection. Lunar eclipses generally last for a few hours. Now about the solar eclipse. When the moon comes between the sun and the earth, solar eclipses occurs. You can see in the picture also. Here you can see the moon is in between the sun and the earth. It is said to be a solar eclipse. We know that the moon is nearer to the earth than the sun, and when the moon revolves around the earth, when it takes a circular revolution, when it revolves around the earth, sometimes it comes between the sun and the earth. The rays of the sun cannot reach the earth. As you can see, during the revolution, the moon has come between the sun and the earth, and it has blocked the rays of the sun falling onto the earth. The shadow of the moon cast on the earth, and this is called a solar eclipse. When the sun is completely hidden by the moon, it is called a total solar eclipse, and when only a part of the sun is hidden, it is called a partial solar eclipse. When the moon is farthest from the earth, it is called annular eclipse. A solar eclipse lasts for a few minutes. A solar eclipse should not be seen through the naked eyes. Special equipments should be used to see it because the sun is very bright enough to burn the cells in your retina, causing a permanent and untreatable blindness. So, never see the solar eclipse with your naked eyes. So, that's all in this chapter. We'll continue the major temperature zones of the earth in our next video. Till then, goodbye.